You've heard of blood pressure. You've heard of blood sugar. We use those to predict heart disease and diabetes, right? Now, what about the brain? What's the equivalent test? For years, researchers have focused on two things, amyloid and tau. These are protein deposits in the brain. Drugs have been developed to clear amyloid in the brain. The results have been modest, and scientists are starting to ask, are we looking at the right thing? Now, a new study may point us somewhere more useful. Researchers followed 495 centenarians, people aged 100 and above, for up to 17 years. Imagine one of these people was 117 years old. Anyway, they measured three markers. Two of them are Alzheimer's protein markers. I would think they are p-tau 217 or p-tau 181. These are blood tests. And one of them is called NFL. NFL1, it predicted both cognitive decline and lifespan better than the Alzheimer's markers. Now, what's interesting here is that we've been always just hyper-focused on how to clear away the Alzheimer's protein. The funny thing is that some of these people pass on without much Alzheimer's symptoms, yet their brain is filled with these proteins. So that's a counter-argument to the claim that Alzheimer's disease can be cured by clearing these proteins. More than that, it's a counter-argument to a claim that says you can diagnose a brain condition or brain disease using these proteins as a marker. Now let's check out what NFL is. So you have a neuron, it's a nerve cell, it has a long tail called an axon. Some axons run from your spine all the way to your foot. That means a really long tail. Axons need internal scaffolding to hold their shape, and NFL is one of these scaffolding proteins. So usually an axon gets damaged from a stroke, an injury, inflammation, or just normal aging. And just the same way when your liver gets damaged, you have these liver enzymes that you can find in the blood. When your brain gets damaged, you will find fragments of NFL in your blood, right? It's quite simple actually. So a blood NFL level tells you one thing: how much nerve damage is happening in your body right now. It's not specific to Alzheimer's. It rises after concussion. It rises after multiple sclerosis. It rises when your blood pressure shoots to the roof, sleep apnea, diabetes, just chronic inflammation. It rises simply with age. So that's actually the point. Brain damage has many causes, and when your brain is damaged, your blood NFL catches that damage. Now, here's what I find significant. You have different mammals, mice, dogs, horses, humans. NFL rises with age and predicts death in all of them. The kind of consistency across a species tells you this is measuring something very fundamental about biological aging. It's not a quirk of one disease called Alzheimer's. What's exciting is that NFL responds to treatment. Control your blood pressure, NFL comes down. Reduce MS inflammation, NFL comes down. Exercise also helps with some caveats. So this test exists, direct to consumer, no doctor needed, roughly a few $100s, one number, tracked over time. So we have had cholesterol test for the heart for ages. NFL may become that test for the brain. We're not there yet, but this centenarian study is quite meaningful. It's worth paying attention to. Anyway, if you found this useful, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for listening.